Ever wish you had proof the moment something goes wrong on the road? Today we're breaking down the best motorcycle dash cam you can buy right now, what actually matters when you're riding, and which features are worth your money versus pure hype. Whether you want protection, peace of mind, or just clean riding footage, this video will help you choose the right setup fast. Links to the best options are in the description below so you can check current prices and details after watching. Let's get into it. You're cruising down a dark road, helmet humming, and suddenly you think, if something happens right now, would I have proof? That's where the Vsysto Wi-Fi motorcycle dash cam steps in. This setup gives you front and rear 1080p cameras, and honestly the night footage is better than you'd expect for something that usually sits in the budget-friendly price range. The Starlight night vision actually pulls detail out of low-light rides, not just blurry headlights. During the day, footage looks clean and sharp, with a wide 130-degree view that catches side traffic without distortion. I really like the wired roller. One press instantly locks an emergency clip, which feels reassuring when things get sketchy. Wi-Fi lets you pull clips straight to your phone, no SIM card, no laptop, just the app. That part feels modern and convenient. Now, it's not perfect. Some riders notice the rear camera image is flipped, which can mess with your brain at first. Audio recording is hit or miss too. Sometimes it's decent, sometimes it's barely there. Wi-Fi connection can also be finicky during setup. Still, for the price most riders pay, this cam delivers solid protection, easy install, and dependable recording where it matters most. It feels like cheap insurance you'll be glad you bought. You're stopped at a light, sun blasting your dash, trying to see navigation while juggling gloves and controls. Sound familiar? That's exactly the moment the Aoocci C6 Pro makes sense. This isn't just a dash cam, it's a full-on riding command center. The 6.25-inch touchscreen is bright enough to handle direct sunlight, and the automatic brightness actually works instead of guessing wrong. Front and rear cameras shoot 1080p with HDR, and playback looks smooth and detailed without stutter. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto are the headline features. When it works, it's fantastic. Maps, music, and calls pop up cleanly, keeping your phone in your pocket. GPS tracking quietly logs your rides in the background, which is great for reviewing routes later. Installation is surprisingly painless, especially with the handlebar mount and included 64GB card. Tire pressure monitoring is a nice bonus that feels genuinely useful, not gimmick. That said, wireless CarPlay can randomly disconnect, which is frustrating mid-ride. Some riders also expected more stability from the software at this price point. Still, for riders who want cameras, navigation, and smart features in one clean unit, this feels like modern tech done mostly right. Picture carving through a mountain road, scenery everywhere, and thinking, I wish this looked as good on camera as it does in real life. That's where the Vantrue F1 flexes hard. The front camera shoots in full 4K while the rear runs 1080p, and the detail is no joke. License plates, road signs, even textures in the pavement show up clearly at 30 frames per second. The 160-degree field of view covers multiple lanes without stretching the image into a fishbowl. The whole unit feels tough. IP67 waterproofing means rain, dust, and grime don't slow it down. GPS stamps speed and routes directly onto footage, and the mileage data export is surprisingly useful if you ever need proof after incident. I like the voice alert. When something goes wrong, the camera tells you instead of silently failing. The wired remote is handy for locking clips without taking your eyes off the road. The downside? Long cables can make install messy, and Wi-Fi isn't always rock solid. A few riders also feel the price creeps high for what gets. Still, if video quality is your top priority, this camera absolutely delivers. You park your bike, walk away, and instantly worry someone's eyeing your gear. That's the mindset behind the LBW wireless GPS motorcycle dash cam. The 7-inch screen is the first thing you notice. It's big, bright, and surprisingly readable even under harsh sunlight. Touch response feels quick, and the IP67 waterproofing means rain rides aren't a concern. The quick-release magnetic mount is a smart touch. Pop it off, take it with you, and theft becomes a lot less likely. Front and rear 1080p cameras record clean, wide footage, and the 170-degree view captures more than you expect. Built-in Wi-Fi makes pulling clips to your phone fast and painless. The included 128GB card is a win. No extra shopping required. The screen auto-adjusts bright, which sounds small, but it's one less thing to fiddle with while riding. GPS and TPMS add extra layers of awareness that touring riders will appreciate. Buttons are the weak spot. Some riders like the size, others hate that there's no easy way to shut the cameras off. Overall, it feels like a feature-packed system aimed at riders who want visibility, security, and convenience in one bold setup. Not everyone wants a giant screen or advanced apps. Sometimes you just want something that records and survives abuse. That's the vibe of the KYNNT dual-channel dash cam. This system keeps things simple. The front camera records at 720p, the rear at 480p, and while that won't win beauty contests, it captures movement clearly enough for everyday riding. HDR helps boost visibility when lighting conditions change fast. What impressed me is durability. IP67 waterproofing, shock resistance, and operation from freezing cold to summer heat make this thing feel built for rough use. The built-in battery lasts over 6 hours, which is rare for motorcycle cams in this class. The gravity sensor works quietly in the background, locking clips during sudden braking or impacts. Parking monitoring adds another layer of protection when the bike's on a Downsides are obvious. Resolution is basic, and there's no flashy connectivity. Storage caps at 64GB, and the card isn't included. Still, if your goal is affordable, no-nonsense recording that doesn't care about weather or bumps, this little cam gets the job done without drama. You spend serious money on your bike, so why trust cheap cameras to protect? That question led me to the Innovv K7. This is a premium setup, and it shows. Dual 2K cameras record crisp footage front and rear, and electronic image stabilization smooths out vibration from rough roads. The 160-degree coverage captures wide traffic without sacrificing clarity. You can actually read plates, even at speed. The aluminum body feels solid, not plastic. Full IP67 sealing means weather is irrelevant. Parking mode quietly watches your bike 24/7, automatically saving clips if something moves or hits it. GPS tracking runs at 10 Hz, which means location and speed data feel precise, not lag. The remote control is well designed, with clear indicators that let you know exactly what's happening without guessing. Installation can be time consuming, especially if you're picky about cable routing. The app also divides opinions. Some riders love it, others find it clunky and unreliable. That's it for our breakdown of the best motorcycle dash cams available right now. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more real-world riding gear reviews, and check the link in the description for updated prices and detail. Ride safe, stay protected, and we'll see you in the next one.